Bruce, you know what you have to do. Clean the game board and avoid this war.
Victor, 5 years ago, mankind witnessed the true nature of the Man of Steel. The world you lived in will never be the same.
Not yet, because we still have a chance.
A global war is about to begin. And it has only one objective: death.
Justice League, I don't think you've gotten the message yet. There won't be anything left of this pathetic world. Because I am going to reduce it all to ashes.
Barry, I need you to find help. To keep Darkseid's war from ever happening.
Bruce Wayne, your rebellion has a price you must pay with your life.